Hello, and welcome to our demo of AR Receipts Upload, an optional component of LynX Office, the easiest way to upload data from Excel to JDE. In this demo, I'm going to demonstrate our AR Receipts Upload template, where you can effortlessly upload multiple AR receipts from Excel to JDE. Here's the upload spreadsheet. This spreadsheet has 2 receipts. The detail includes invoice matches, standalone, and GL receipts. For invoice matches, I can use the lookup function to select the invoices I want to match without having to flip back and forth between JDE and Excel. If the receipt does not include the invoice number, I can look it up by reference or just enter the reference ID in the reference column. All I have to do now is click Upload to upload these receipts. That's it! The receipts are uploaded and the batch number and the assigned receipt numbers are displayed in Excel. To see the uploaded batch, I click the batch number link, which takes me directly to the receipt batch in JDE. As with other LynX Office templates, identifying and resolving errors is a breeze. For more information on LynX Office, please visit our website at alias.com.